Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Early morning I had my COVID test done. तो हमने सोचा कि आज हम घर पे वीडियो बनाएंगे. Usually also I film at home only, but I'm also avoiding to even step outside of home now. अभी results नहीं आए हैं. Let's hope for the best. So now that we have decided to film at home, I was thinking of various different kind of ideas, and I was like, let's do recreating celebrities' Instagram photos because बहुत time पहले I made one, and this is like the perfect time to pull that one off. And I'm always getting so many comments to film that video. So yeah, today we're doing that. Okay, so one special thing which is going to happen today is that okay, so I'm always getting comments that I look like Hina Khan. Thank you so much. तो मैंने उनको अच्छे से स्टॉक कर दिया. वैसे भी मैं उनके इंस्टाग्राम पे पूरे टाइम होती हूँ. I like her as a person she is. So I'm always fancying her clothes and her posing and everything. So I was like, yeah, it will be fun to recreate her styles and photos. So मैंने बहुत सारे screenshots लेके रख रखे हैं. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I have this photo of hers. I personally like this one because even I have something similar of what she's wearing. मैंने निकाल के भी रखा हुआ है. You guys remember this dress? This is a jumpsuit, but it has the same sort of effect from the upper part. So I guess it will go perfectly. Let's see. I don't have the exact same background, but we'll figure something out. So guys, this is done, but in her photograph she does not has this cape. So let's fix this. YouTuber. So I guess wait. I know कुछ तो होता होगा यार, कुछ तो निकल ही जाएगा. नहीं, wait. Yes. And just like this. Did I just achieve the same outfit like hers? Oh my god. बहुत ही similar लग रहा है. ये 100 points. खुद को ही points दे रही हूँ मैं. So weird. Okay, so let me do quickly this kind of similar hairstyle and little bit of jewelry, and let's click the photo. So guys, I'm ready. How do I look? नीचे देखिए, बहुत ठंड हो रही है. So we are all covered, and I did my minimal makeup just like hers. Little bit of hair and jewelry. Jugaad 101. Also, I will be clicking photo here on a plain white background, and through editing later on we'll see if I'll be able to change the background. I'll be showing you everything कि मैं कैसे करने वाली हूँ. Let's get started. क्या हो चुका है. आओ करते हैं. So guys, this is the photo जो निकल कर आई है. Looks pretty much similar. I mean, obviously you cannot copy the exact same thing, but mostly it's looking similar to me. I don't know, you guys let me know. Okay, so now let's edit the background. Let's try to edit the background. Okay, so I have opened my photo in PicsArt, and I also have taken similar sort of background from Google. Okay, so what we are going to do is just go on PicsArt, open your photo. Alright, so now that we are here, go on add photo and select the background photo like so, and just zoom it on your entire photograph, and niche you will see the opacity, lower it down so you can see yourself, and over you have eraser option. So just erase the background image which is on top of you. That's it. Just be very careful and take your time. No rush, no hurry. बहुत ही आराम से just do it, and then yeah, just keep doing it first. Like this. I love doing editing parts are especially my favorite because whenever you take a raw photo or film any video, you have no idea where that thing is going, but once you do your magic in post production, entire thing just changes itself, and ऐसा लगता है अच्छा ये था. Otherwise in the process you just feel lost. But anyway, let's do it. And now that your erasing part is done, click on right and bring back the opacity. जितना भी तुम्हें चाहिए background रखना है, just bring that back, and yeah, save it. There you go. This is how it looks like. See, like this you just change the entire background. There's your own little professional photo shoot happened right over there. So cool. Also guys, today's video is possible by Epigamia. We have all enjoyed their famous Greek yogurts which are super duper yummy and healthy, and now they have come up with their new launch which are spreads made from ghee. Yes, spreads made from ghee. Even I didn't believe it at first, but it's a rich source of omega-3 which is really good from other spreads which are available in market. Now these spreads come in two flavors, which is chocolate and blueberry. Yes, can you believe it? With no added preservatives and all natural ingredients. I mean, I love blueberry one so much. I mean, it's just perfect for people like me who are very conscious about what they're putting inside their bodies, as I always say, and at the same time you do not have to compromise on the taste as well. So whenever I'm in the middle of a shoot, I can just quickly spread some of it on a piece of bread and enjoy it just like I have it right over here. It's super quick and easy to whip up as a snack, mood uplifter because it's so tasty. You can easily spread them on your rotis, breads or parathas, as a wholesome breakfast, or even as a decent pre or post workout meal. Now these are made from ghee, which is healthier in comparison to jams and chocolate spreads, and have half the sugar in it, and I'm linking both of these two favorite spreads of mine from Epigamia in description box down for you guys, so don't forget to check that out. Alright, so next celebrity which I'm crushing over right now is Disha Patani, and this is the photo which I selected. I have no idea how I'll be able to do the hair, so I'll just do a simple partition, that's it. I mean, her hair I mean, her hair is so good in this photo, such nice voluminous hair. I will never in my entire lifetime will be able to achieve that, but I have something similar what she's wearing. Let's do it. And guys, this is how the photo turned out to be. I mean, I understand थोड़ा सा difference है, but I'm glad with the outfit and everything. And obviously, I mean, दिखने में photos जितनी भी easy लगे, those are really very hard to pull off. I mean, by the way, if you look at the picture, she's just chilling, looking hot and whatnot. And when I was posing, I was like, कैसे करूँ, मेरी कमर में दर्द आ गया. But we got a decent picture out of it, and yeah, it looks nice. Alright guys, next I have another Hina Khan's photograph. It looks pretty decent and simple, and I really wanted to try it. But the thing is कि अभी इतना sunny नहीं हो रहा है. It's pretty dull outside. I don't know why. Okay, so she's wearing something on, like something white on top. तो I am just wearing this t-shirt, and इसकी sleeves थी, तो मैंने इसे बस ऐसे ऊपर करके मसल टी में कन्वर्ट कर दिया है. अब नहीं हो रहा मेरे से. Why? Something like this, and I guess that's pretty much it about it. Also, quickly let's do a middle partition. ठीक है, I guess. Let me just quickly comb it with my hands only, and let's click it. So guys, this is how my photo looks like right now. This was a bit easier because the posing and everything was pretty much easy, and I'm not saying that you have to take the exact same photo at the exact same location. Like any basic terrace or any window would work. It does not matter, like, you know, how cool your background is looking. What matters is if you are looking happy and confident in that. And one thing which I like about, you know, recreating celebrities photographs is that not only they have very, you know, hi-fi and all glammed up photos, but at the same time they have these kind of very simple and elegant looking photos in which they are not trying too hard, and these are very easily recreatable. And if you are someone who's looking to, you know, probably start your own thing on Instagram or anywhere, you can probably take inspiration from these celebrities and recreate some of these looks and photos, because बहुत ही chill है, you know, not trying too hard, easy to recreate, and you know, just do it. I'm all dressed up for my next photograph already. I have this photo of Disha. The dress is not similar, but I have floral thing going on and I have similar neckline. So I'm like, oh, okay, क्या हो गया है? So I'm like, okay, and let's just open my hair, and necklace कुछ छोटा सा I'll wear, and that's it. फाइनली हमारी फ़ोटो आ ही गई है. मैं लिटरली इतने से स्पेस पे बैठी थी, मेरे बम पे निशान भी आ गए, थोड़ा सा पेन भी कर रहा है, बट एनी वे इट्स वर्थ इट. आई एम लविंग इट सो मच. मोस्टली ये पूरी सिमिलर ही लग रही है एक्सेप्ट फ्रॉम द आउटफिट कलर एंड थोड़ा सा बैकग्राउंड, बट इट्स ओके. आई मीन यू नो इट्स ऑलवेज फन टू रिक्रिएट सेलिब्रिटी फोटोज एंड थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है. एंड आई वॉज एट होम सो आई वॉज लाइक ये आज करेंगे एंड आई होप अच्छी फोटोज आई हैं. लेट मी नो व्हाट यू गाइज थिंक अबाउट इट एंड व्हाट मोर सेलिब्रिटीज़ यू वांट मी टू रिक्रिएट आगे फ्यूचर में इन माई फ्यूचर वीडियोज. लेट मी नो एंड या दैट वॉज इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. आई होप दैट यू गाइज एंजॉयड वॉचिंग इट. लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड आई विल सी यू इन माय नेक्स्ट वन. बाय.